Koma manwar ki mutu meto kida la mo floti no maka pinyu ruto mo bede lose. Mo fati na bede nyodo mreka poda neno.
We introduce to you Nyatiti. Nyatiti is a 5 to 8 string instrument. It is a classical instrument played by the Luo along River Nile and Lake Victoria Basin. It is about 2 feet long with a bowl shaped, covered wooden resonators, covered in cow skin. Our forefathers were fashioning strings from cattle tendons. However, with modernity, plastic fishing line has replaced cattle tendons. Now, listen to some tunes of Nyatiti as you get to know about the player.
Koma manwar ki mutu meto kida la mo floti no maka pinyu ruto mo bede lose. Mo fati na bede nyodo mreka poda neno.
My name is Gabriel Odhiambo Oduor. I come from Siaya County in Ugenya, the Ugenya sub-county. The instrument I play is called the Nyatiti from the Luo community. The Luo community reside in western part of Kenya around the Lake Victoria region.
Di kudu amanga manyami kunda mami jo jende uluma. Ngamanyango dako maji chwer manudo bodo mola ludu Kenya.
Basically, my family, my grandfather used to play the Nyatiti. My uncles played the Nyatiti and my father was also a player. So I got it in the family. Over the years, I started playing the Nyatiti when I was in high school, and after high school, I came to Nairobi, and I played several groups. For now, I play with the Kengekenge. I joined Kengekenge band in 2005, and over the years, we have played with the band up to date. Yeah. With Kengekenge, I've gained a good exposure. We have done shows in Kenya and around the world. So it has taken us places. Music has basically been part and parcel of my life since I was born, because my father used to play, and through playing in several different venues, he could afford to pay my school fees. So through music, I went to school. through music, I've been able to support my family. My younger siblings have been able to pay their school fees, so they have been able to go to school. Through music, you know, in the African society, if you marry, you have to take the dowry. So I've been able to do that. I have a family, and my children can go to school. I can be able to pay the school fees with the money I get from playing music. So this is my life.
Olenge makonyango, olenge nene gongolo, tobene neno weo. Ajuma makuriero, ajuma nene gongolo, tobene neno weo.
I have several tunes, but the ones I feel most is I used to sing about a lady who used to be my girlfriend. So sometimes I play it and feel the love in it.
Manene Cultural Trust ensures conservation of tangible and intangible cultural heritage of traditional instruments by offering platforms for those who wish to learn how to make them, how to play, and how to preserve.
Kendo ne achenju, opira ne aloyo, kendo anie ma omo, eka ne ayudo nyani, komako bon nyani buonjo.